Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. So far it drives really nice. That's a really big bump there, and it took it really well. Nice and smooth. Brakes feel good. The steering wheel doesn't shake when you apply the brakes. Shifts really smooth. Brakes. As you can see, the steering wheel is nice and straight. It doesn't shimmy or anything. This thing drives really nice. And that flickering is just in camera, not in person. Drives really, really good. I have zero complaints with it. It's always a good test. It handles that really well. Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel, you can see some of the paint is coming off there. Looks like it was repaired at some point. A couple chips on the edge. Here on this fender, a couple small rock chips, a little scuff here, and then you're going to have a couple little rock impacts here. Looking at the side mirror, a couple little rock chips. Here on that A-pillar, you can see some typical swirls and stuff, but overall looks good. The door looks nice. That pillar looks good. See any damage, dings, or anything like that. You can see this wheel was repaired at some point, had some rash. It was touched up. Some of it's kind of rubbing off there. A couple scratches. And checking out the engine bay. All of that looks good. You do have some wear here. Some of the black is kind of flaked off. That underhood liner looks amazing. Okay, checking out the front end here. Let's start on the top side. Now you're gonna have some little rock chips. Got a larger one here. A couple small ones. Looking down the middle, I don't see any there. Overall, this side looks good. Like I said, when you get up close here, you're going to see some little rock chips. Here on the headlights, you have the rock impacts on them, but overall they look good. And then of course you're going to have rock chips on this front end. Kind of scattered every once in a while. So far I don't see any other damage larger than the rock chips. All right, checking out the driver's side. Here on that fender, a couple little rock chips, all very minor. This wheel has sustained some rash damage, but it has been touched up, it looks like. And then you have some paint kind of peeling right there. Looks like it was touched up. Looking at the side mirror, a couple rock impacts. Typical with the miles. Looking at the A-pillar, I see a few small scuffs every once in a while. Got something kind of sticky on there. That panel looks good. A couple rock chips here and there. I don't see any other damage. Got some larger chips here. That door looks good. Here on the quarter panel on the lower side, you do have some rash of some sort and some dents in here. You can see it took out some paint, scuffed it, kind of wrinkled it. Then you have a large chip here. It looks like the rash kind of made its way alongside this trim as well. And then this wheel has rash on it. Looks like it was touched up at some point. Okay, checking out the back here. Starting on that upper panel. See a chip here, small one there. Otherwise that looks good. That emblem looks nice. Got a chip here. A little chip on the edge. Couple small chips here. Another one there. So I don't see any other damage larger than just those little rock chips and scuffs. Then looking at the carpet here. Looks really nice. Same with that side. Got the all-weather mat. That carpet looks good. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the memory seating here. A couple little scuffs on the metal there. That lower section looks nice. All of that's super clean. Typical wear here on that trim. Overall, those carpets look good. That bolster's nice and clean. That one looks amazing as well. This upper side looks perfect. Now you do have a couple little scuffs here on the bottom side. Got a scuff right there and there. The rest of that looks nice. 114,000 miles. Maybe hard to see, but you do have some scratches on the screen, both upper and lower. Here on the back left door panel, a couple tiny scuffs here, but otherwise very clean. That trim looks awesome. Carpets look good. Here on this seat, you have a couple scratches there. Otherwise, it looks awesome. Okay, checking out the front right door panel. Got the memory seating. Got a little scuff there. Overall, that panel looks really nice. Got a couple scratches here. Carpets look amazing. You have some dirt in the little holes there. A couple scuffs here. A few little scuffs every once in a while. That bolster looks awesome. This upper section looks really nice. Got some scuffs here. You got some on the armrest there. And you can see the black here has sustained some scuffs and scratches. And then you have some dents on that metal and some scratches. And then you can see on the screen, might be hard to get at the right angle, but there are some scratches on that screen. couple spots on there. Overall, that upper side looks good. Massive panoramic roof. Here on the back right door panel, got some little scuffs there. A couple scratches on that trim. Those carpets look good. Got some little scuffs every once in a while here. Got a couple scratches there, but that seat looks really nice. You have a cut right there on the back side.